Welcome to MarineMax Copeg. Today we're going to walk through the 19 Sea Ray SPX. A couple things I love about this boat is all the storage. There's storage underneath every seat in this boat. There's storage compartment in here, storage compartment here, plenty of storage in the floor here. Storage underneath this seat and this seat. Here is access to your motor. Very easy to work on. This boat has a bimini top and the IO power. It gives you a flush deck in the back. Great for tubing, skiing, water sports, and getting out in the water with your kids. Thank you.